On our way to the airport.
Hindi ako nasasawa.
Hindi ko lang gusto yung amoy.
Sarap. What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we're going to Da Nang, Vietnam!
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go!
On our way to the airport. Eh, naka-grab car na lang kami ngayon. Kasi,
Mahal ng parking sa Naiya Terminal 3.
and guys, alam nyo ba na meron na ang Grab na schedule a ride. So, kagabi pa namin ni-schedule tong ride na to. Sakto naman si Kuya dumating. Actually, maaga siya. So, maaga kami papuntang airport ngayon. Let's go.
Tara!
So, as we said earlier, nag-grab kami going to the airport kasi mahal na yung parking. And, in case you didn't know, meron silang schedule a ride. So, go to Grab car. And then, dito sa baba, you'll see their advance booking. So, ayan. But it's for airport only. So, ayan. And then, you can choose the date kung kailan kayo magsa-schedule ng airport nyo and the time. So, very convenient. Nandun si Kuya 15 minutes before the time. And, hindi na kami nag-worry. Na-book kami ng book, lalo na pag may search. And then, the chat opens 45 minutes before the pickup time. So, pwede kayong magtsikahan na ni Kuya ng maaga. So, yan. In case you didn't know, this is not sponsored by the way, but Grab baka naman. Now you know. Hello again, Chabibis! Papunta na kami ngayon sa gate. But before that, dahil mahal na yung parking dito sa airport, nag-grab na lang kami.
So, 1,200 for 24 hours. So, since 5 days kami, i-compute nyo na lang. Mahal siya talaga kaysa mag-grab kami. Papunta na airport and then pa-uwi, mag-grab din kami. So, ang laki ng tinipid namin. And then, yung counters ng Cebu Pacific is A and B na siya. So, pag galing ka ng departures area, before, nasa right side siya. Ngayon, nasa far left siya. So, A and B, Cebu Pacific. So, halo yung domestic and international check-in counter niya. So, agahan nyo. Kasi ang haba ng pila. Pero mabilis naman silang kumilos ngayon.
Yeah, 30 minutes kami pumila.
After that, immigration. Wala talagang tinanong sa akin. Tinitigan lang niya ako, picture, labas. So, 1 minute, tapos.
So, since maaga kami dito, nakapag-lounge pa kami. And now, malapit na yung boarding time namin. It's in around 20 minutes. Maglalakad na kami papunta sa aming gate.
So, gate 105. And may bagong lounge na tinatayo si Naiya Terminal 3, which is eto. Ayan. So, abangan natin yan. Baka sakali, maka-lounge din tayo dyan.
So, punta na kami sa gate. Let's go!
Let's go! Tara! So, on time naman si Cebu Pacific. So, hindi kami masyado nag-antay dito sa waiting area. And we're finally boarding! We're so excited to go to Da Nang!
Yes, baka nagtataka kayo bakit kaka-Vietnam lang namin, Vietnam lang naman. Ang ganda kasi talaga sa Vietnam.
And the food, sobrang sarap.
Yep, so we wanted to go back agad-agad. Pero syempre, we wanted another place. So, Da Nang is the key.
Da Nang!
Kakain na naman kami ng banh mi, tsaka ng
and
pho, at tsaka madaming kape.
Kung makapanood nyo sa Ho Chi Minh vlog namin, araw-araw makain ako ng pho. Hindi ako nasasawa.
Yes, so, hello ulit, Gerd.
Kape-kape tayo ulit.
Eto na naman po tayo. First time, lalabas kami sa bridge para sumakay ng plane. I'll show you. Wait lang. So, it's not a bridge pala, it's a ramp. Bumaba sa ramp and then akyat dito sa hagdan.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Da Nang International Airport.
We're here in
Danang! Sobrang bilis lang ng flight. Touchdown, Danang, Vietnam! Or Danang.
better yet, Danang!
Sobrang bilis lang ng flight. 2 hours 15 minutes. Majority ng flight, walang turbulence. And hinihingal ako, teka, kasi may packet na part. Sorry naman.
So we made it here to Da Nang International Airport.
Yes, and sobrang ganda ng airport nila.
Yes.
As in, at alam nyo, pagbaba nyo pala ng airplane and then pag turn left nyo, makikita nyo na yung mga tourist spots dito sa Da Nang. So, ang ganda ng pagkaka-showcase nila ng mga tourist spots na lahat pupuntahan natin yan for the next
Couple
5
of days.
Yes! Super excited to go gala in Da Nang.
Alam niyo ba, walang katao-tao halos dito. Parang kami lang yung flight.
Yes, and pagbaba namin, sobrang foggy siya or smog, hindi namin alam. Pero malamig siya, 25 degrees as per our captain. So, di gaya nung nakaraan na punta natin, parang 31 degrees but feels like 50. Pero ngayon nararamdaman namin yung lamig. So, Baguio feels dito kasi medyo northern part ng Vietnam na tong Da Nang.
So, tapat tong carousel, right here, mukhang may mga SIM card na. Mag-i-inquire ako kasi po, naiwan ko ang SIM card na binili sa Orange app. Palit kasi ako ng wallet, dun ko nilagay. So, anyway, let's check if we can get a SIM card right here. So they have your different options for SIM card. We got the Viettel 240,000 dong data 5G daily. Alright. So, sa tapat lang siya nung carousel. Dito lang, ikot lang kayo. So, iba-iba lang siya ng bilihan ng SIM card, but they said that the Viettel is the best one. So, in front of the welcome to Da Nang again, carousel is here. SIM cards are there. May mga ano din, car service na rin doon. Yay, we got our luggage.
Let's go. Let's draw money. So, milyonaryo na naman po tayo. Beshi, magkano may withdraw mo? Mag-withdraw ka milyon.
Millions.
Millions.
Okay, let's go look for the ATMs. So, sa pinakadulo nito is the immigration. And then, these are the carousels for the luggage. This is the exit. Sa dulong-dulo, may mga CR. So, in case hindi kayo nakapag-toilet before immigration, you can go here and they even have a drinking fountain or water dispenser. Oh, the tourist information is also here. But at this time, at 9:49 p.m., it's already closed. Baka if your flight is earlier, available pa sila dyan. May vendo din sa dulo, malapit sa mga toilet at sa tourism information. So, dito guys, palabas, dumadaan pa rin sa security machine na ganyan. yung mga bags sa customs. Kahit nothing to declare, dadaan pa din dyan. So, ayan. Dahil nag-CR pa kami, medyo humaba yung pila. Pero okay lang, carry lang. Ang ganda dito sa Danang. Maganda ito. It's really nice. So, paglabas nyo to the right side, sa may Star Cafe, merong ATM. Puntahan natin siya ngayon. Turn right upon exit. So, you could see the ATMs. And merong Star Cafe. So, mag-withdraw muna tayo ng millions. So, we're gonna use GoTime to withdraw. Done with ATM withdrawal, I use GoTime card. Merong service fee na 49,500. Kasi yung unang withdrawal ko, 5 million dong. Yan, hindi gumana kasi over the limit daw. So, nag-withdraw ako 3 million dong. Tapos, 2 million dong. Tapos, pareho siyang may 49,500.
Yung 49,000 is 100 plus pesos. So, mura pa din kasi papapalit kayo.
Yeah.
So, we advise you to withdraw na lang using ATM kaysa magpapalit. So, mas winner talaga yung withdrawal.
So, now magbubuk kami ng Grab. And, andito lang din may mga signs naman going to the ride app pick-up. So, doon kami din pupunta para sumakay ng aming Grab. 4-point-something kilometers lang yung hotel.
So, malapit lang siya dito. So, 10 to 15 minutes lang.
Tara na, mag-book na tayo ng ating Grab para mapunta sa hotel. And sabi 25 degrees, pero medyo mainit.
Pero mainit pa din.
Feels like 30.
Tara na!
Pagtawid from the airport exit, dito lang kayo sa halamanan.
Parang forest.
Parang forest or garden. Tapos may makikita na kayo dyan na Grab tent. So they're all here. And let's book a Grab. So may upuan pa siya. Dito na tayo magbubuk. And dito din yung pickup niya. So we've already booked our Grab. 1 minute daw. And it's for 106,000 dong. Dito lang kami mag-aantay ng pickup. Here, and this is in front of the baggage storage service. So, di kayo maliligaw. Madaling-madali lang siya. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So we checked in here at Halina Hotel. Hihilig nila sa hagdanan.
May welcome drink sila. So, sarap. Oh my God, nagiyak ko sa sarap. Kasi ako ubus na.
Ayaw. What is this drink? It's so good.
Peach tea.
No, peach tea. It's really yummy. So we use GoTime to pay for the hotel. Checking in. Hindi ko lang gusto yung amoy. So, this is our room in Halina Hotel. Pagpasok mo, meron na agad lalagyan ng luggage and then hangers. And dalawang bathroom is right beside that closet thing. So, open siya. Siyempre, may bidet. And then, they already have the towels there. And they have toothbrush, toothpaste. And then in the shower, there's also shampoo and body wash. So, ayan. Sana kagaya siya sa Ho Chi Minh na malakas yung pressure ng water.
Sa 9th floor kami ngayon.
They have hair dryer here. And other amenities. Like the toothbrush. So, yan. Beds naman. So, there are 2 beds. And then, there's a phone here. There's a socket. So, iba yung saksakan dito. Then, Ho Chi Minh. Pero okay lang yan. Meron kami ng lahat ng saksakan. And then, there's the street view. I think the beach is over there. We'll know for sure tomorrow. And then, dito din sa may entrance. Actually, medyo masikip yung room. Pero merong seating here. And then, they have coffee, water. So, free na yan. And then, there's a work table here. Mukhang walang saksakan though. Oh, here. So, the closest socket is right here if you wanna work. And then, there's a TV. We're yet to find out if it's smart TV. And then, sa kabilang side ng bed, andun yung kettle. And, meron ding socket. Okay, and then, dito pa pala, kung saan namin nilagay yung luggage, there's a ref, and safety deposit box. Or this hotel is booked through Agoda. Yung price niya, lalagay ko na lang dito. So, actually, 2 rooms yung binook namin kasi merong offer si Agoda na sa 5 days namin, sa 2 days nun, sa ganitong room na mas maliit, and then yung next 3 days, mas malaking room siya. Tapos, discounted yung price niya. So, konting hassle lang kapag babalot ulit ng gamit at paglipat, pero why not, diba? Yes. So, yung room namin by Wednesday would be much better and much bigger than this one.
Malaki na, saka mas maluag.
Yes. And mag-room tour ulit kami. Okay, so now, hahanap kami ng kakainan. Sa baba, ang daming kainan.
And it's a Monday, ha? Pero buhay na buhay yung buhay na buhay yung scene dito, parang pablasyon.
Yeah. Actually, medyo, oo.
Yes,
so,
parang pablasyon feels.
Yeah, so sige, bababa kami, maghahanap kami ng kakainan. Let's go!
Let's go! Kakainan namin dito, konting tumbling lang from our hotel. Tapos, ang authentic ng mga sineserve nila. So, puro Vietnamese, malamang, diba? Tapos, marami silang seafood. Thank you. Marami silang seafood. Pero, dun muna kami sa basic. Siyempre, pho. Miss namin yun. Beef pho. Saka fried rice.
Yeah.
Kinikilig ako.
So, antayin namin. Sana masarap. Tapos, sobrang dami talagang kainan dito sa paligid ng hotel namin. Currently, it's 10:52 p.m. Vietnam time. Kasi ang Vietnam is 1 hour behind Manila. So, yun. Nakaka-excite lang kasi parang ang saya-saya na buhay itong neighborhood namin.
And Lunes ngayon. So, akala namin baka walang ganap. Pero sobrang dami. So, kaya nakaka-excite.
Yeah, so update namin kayo. So, sa table, nandyan yung mga condiments. Feeling ko this is mukha siyang soy sauce. This one is apple vinegar. So, meron ding soya bean sauce. Patis siguro to. Oo, amoy patis. Fish sauce.
And hot sauce.
Hot chili sauce. Hindi ko mabalik. Wait lang. Ito.
Salt.
Oh, Himalayan pink salt. Saan kayo? Social. Mahal yan sa atin, guys. Dito, condiment lang. Tapos, nandiyan na rin yung cubiertos. And, syempre, tissue. And, another thing we noticed sa mga kainan dito is they have trash can sa tabi ng table. Medyo hindi siya ganun ka-hygienic, pero feeling ko naman malinis. So, diretso mo na dun yung mga basura mo. Thank you. Thank you. This is fried pork.
Ordered chicken.
Pho. And grilled chicken. So, let's put some lime.
And bean sprouts.
Sprouts.
And basil. Is that basil?
Yes. And para mas
Kain tayo ng
masarap.
gulay dito.
Gulay-gulay na naman tayo, guys.
Yes.
Let's eat. Okay, so for the first meal here, ang sarap niya. We eat here at Nam, Vietnamese cuisine. So meron kaming dalawang rice meals, isang chicken, isang pork. And then we ordered beef pho kasi hindi namin alam na may sabaw din na kasama.
Pero ang dami niya,
ano,
umi-take out pa nga kami.
tinake out na namin yung pho. And then spring roll, ang total bill namin ay
309,000 dong.
yes, mura na rin siya for this.
Authentic Vietnamese cuisine, di ba?
Yes. So ngayon, babalik na kami na hotel para makapagpahinga kasi bukas chill kami.
Yes, let's roam around Da Nang. Pero malapit lang sa hotel, beach, yung mga malalapit na tourist spots.
Titingnan namin. And sa tabi ng hotel namin, guys, may mart. So,
And may foot massage. So,
Yes.
iniisip namin na magpa-foot massage.
yes. Tapos baka dumaan kami sa mart bago bumalik ng hotel.
Yes.
Let's go!
Tara no!